Hello and welcome to the Timesavers instructional video for the Minikol Go To device. How to use the Go To function. First, press the yellow Program button. You will notice the blinking light next to the top target number. Enter the desired bed opening, then press Enter. Now press Start. You will now notice the bottom numbers changing. These numbers indicate the actual bed opening. How to program fast keys, otherwise known as presets or programs. Start by pressing F5, Enter. Press the fast key you would like to program. Now enter the desired bed opening for that fast key. When done, press Enter. Now you can program additional fast keys, or if you are finished, you can press the Cancel button, which is right above the Enter button. How to use the fast key presets after they are entered. All you need to do is press the number of the program, then press Start. The bed will automatically open up past the desired number and then close back up to eliminate backlash in the jacks. The procedure to change a program is the same as initially entering the program. Press F5, Enter. Press the program number you would like to change. Enter a new value. Press Enter, then clear. How to display the conveyor feed speed. While on the main screen, press Enter. The top number is how fast the conveyor is currently moving. This can be displayed in either feet per minute or meters per minute. How to reset the origin or zero of the machine. While the bed is at a known opening, press F2, Enter, type in the value that should currently be displayed, then press Enter. Now, without moving the bed of the machine, press F, 0, enter, then press enter a second time.